Well, hey everybody. I've been in a bit of a winter slump lately just because of the temperature. The shop here don't have a furnace, so we got, looks like it's about 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's risen to 20 in the shop, so we're in a bunch of layers. But I won't stay out here for long. I just wanted to show you a couple of new small signs I got, some vintage kind of postal ones. P.O. boxes and Western Union. Looks like they've this one has had an electrode replaced. This is the tubulated end. And this looks considerably older. This one's stamped with EGL. I don't know if you can see that. Barely, right there. And this one seems to have a couple newer ones with the stranded electrodes. None of these have ceramic collars on the electrodes, but seem a little older. But it's a bit of sputtering, and didn't have the torches hot enough. Got some lead deposits there, but gonna hook these up to. I tested these with my spark coil, and the tubes do light up. So thought I'd bring it to the shop and throw a transformer on it and see what happens here. This is a self-adjusting 30 milliamp. There it is, a 1 to 9. 1,000 volts, so we'll throw you on the tripod and take a look here. All right, put a jumper on this end here between the electrodes and hook up these to the transformer. That should do it. Plug it in and see what we got. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Nice. Very bright. See that? Maybe, yeah. Looking good. They're just standard clear tubes. I believe they're 10 millimeter. Should be. Yeah. 10 millimeter clear, pumped with neon gas. I don't know, there's something about that classic reddish orange neon glow. It's beautiful. Use these to decorate the shop. Give a nice ambient glow. And who knows, maybe I'll get some blockout paint and block out the spaces between the letters so you can read it a little better. But that's a project for a different day. The day when it's not so cold. Anyway, I guess I'll get you a little closer, eh? A little closer shot. Refresh rate doesn't like that. Western Union. Who wants to send a telegram? Fantastic. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe if you want to see more neon-related videos. Till next time.